Hey, you can say good evening. You speak English? It's my night. Come on, hey, say something.
No.
What, why not? It's fantastic, come on. Sprechen Sie Deutsch?
Yes.
Oh my God.
No, listen. English?
Si.
Spanish?
Oui.
Français?
Okay.
Okay. Hey, Wendy, listen to me. You think I am stupid?
Yes.
This is brilliant. I want one.
So, well, you don't want to speak anymore?
No.
Okay. And now?
Oh, yes, I want.
You know how to sing?
No.
What?
Yes, yes, yes.
Good. Okay. Well, we listen to you.
Meow.
It's bow wow, eh? You understand?
Meow.
Music, please. We're gonna sing something for you, all right? Okay. Don't look at me. Don't look at the audience like that. Feelings. Come on.
Feelings.
Nothing more.
Nothing
More.
more.
Trying to forget. All together, okay?
No.
Please, come on. It's pretty good talent, okay? All together. Feelings.
Ay, ay.
Feelings.
Oh, my God.
Some people in a lifetime for a moment.
Well, good luck, Echo.
What's your name? Can you say hello? How about hi?
Hi.
And Spanish, hola.
Hola.
And que pasa?
¿Qué pasa?
And we don't go fast enough. You want to hurry.
Ahí va, ahí va.
Hurry.
Ahí va, ahí va.
All right, we're going to sing, okay?
Okay.
Okay, can we do old?
McDonald had a farm.
Very good.
That bird has talent.
We have a lot of animals. What do we have there? Did you see a chicken? A chicken. How about a rooster? Did you see a sheep? A sheep. His favorite animal is a kitty. A kitty. And you do a chihuahua. Chihuahua. Beautiful, honey. What a good boy. He has a couple people impressions. He does an excellent sneeze. Can you cry? And everybody thinks you're pretty funny. Funny. He also has his grand finale song, so we're going to do a little warm-up. You ready? La. Very good. Echo, honey, where do bluebirds fly? I love that one. Give everyone a big kiss. Big kiss. Tell 'em.
No way.
No! That is crazy. I do. I mean, I've never seen that before.
Welcome to America's Got Talent.
Thank you.
Hi.
Yeah.
How long have you been doing this?
I've been actually training birds for 38 years.
Who is this?
This is Tika. Tika is a yellow-naped Amazon parrot from Central America, and I rescued her a year ago, and she is just phenomenal. She's the best talking parrot I've ever met. When we pull up to drive-thru, she tries to order.
Really?
Yeah.
How great is that? So go ahead, do your act.
All right. How are you?
How are you?
I'm good. Are you happy?
Are you happy, buddy?
Yes, everybody is happy. You want to play some games? How about this one?
Peekaboo.
Peekaboo. There you go. Here's another game. Ready? Now, when I touch her, it changes to...
What you do?
There you go. Now, Tika actually sings several songs. We're going to start with this song. You ready? Here we go, Tika.
How does this
Sing it.
go?
Hush.
Hush, little baby, don't you cry. I'm gonna buy you a mockingbird.
There you go. One more.
That's great.
Let's try this one. Sing it.
Sing it. Happy birthday to you.
Let's vote.
Yes.
Yes.
Mel B.